Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Nifty 50 again continued its downfall. Today ended 218.85, that is around 0.87%. And from the day started, it maintained the downfall. And as we see, it hit the lowest point around 2 o'clock. A little bit of recovery ended in 24795. Market sentiment long term is now bearish. Market is in a fear mode now. Bullish is only 16%. And FII continued the selling. So as you see from 27th of September, it is 1200, then 9700, 1st October 5500, 3rd October 15,000, 4th October 9897. I'll show you the today's data also. Today also they are in the seller side. But overall, FII in total in selling mode, and that is the biggest reason of this market fall. And majorly small cap and mid cap section is actually getting hammered. We'll see the details. Yeah, this is today's data, 7th of October, and as we see the FII again on the seller side. So net value of selling is 8,200, whereas DII in the buyer 13,245. So that's the FII and DII for today. So there are several reasons. Technical view says that according to the analyst, the Nifty 50 index is experiencing a downward trend in the near term. However, index is approaching the major support, which is 24800, where trader and investor should start looking for the opportunity. So that is the downfall momentum what technical analysts are talking about Nifty 50. And if we see the daily chart of Nifty, so we can see 2470, like 24700, that's the major support, and the resistance will be 25,100, which is another 400 point. So according to my analysis, the market should roam around in this particular range, 24,700 and 2500. If it fell down, then next stop will be around 24,400, so which is another 300 point from now. That's the Nifty 50 analysis. Another analysis suggests that after every 2 to 3 years of rally, small cap and the mid cap stock tend to become overvalued, leading to a correction and underperformance. This pattern has been evident in the past cycle, and we are seeing it unfold again now. So that's the trend of the market, and market was overvalued, basically small and mid cap. So most of them already given return 200, 300, 500, 1000% in couple of years. So it's the time of profit booking. That is what this correction all about. As well as it says, the correction we are witnessing is largely due to the overvaluation. So ongoing war that served as a trigger, but it was only a matter of time before the market adjusted itself. So whoever already invested, no need to panic. This is a good time to reaccumulate those stocks. As we see the ongoing war between Israel and Iran and Ukraine, Russia, everything is going on, and because of that, the oil price, that's the major turnaround for any economy. The oil price surge amid Middle East tension, Israel-Iran conflict drives market volatility. So that's the another reason why this global market is getting reacted, and our Indian market also see the same sentiment. So these are the major index. Nifty Media, major loser 3.65%, PSU Bank, major laggard 3.31%, Nifty Oil and Gas 2.27%, Nifty Metal 2.24%, Nifty Bank almost 2%, Consumer Durable 1.91%, Private Bank again 1.82%, Nifty Financial Service overall 1.70 down, Nifty Realty 1. So across the sector there is a downturn, and that makes the market so much downwards today and last couple of the days. Now stock related news. First report is on JLR, Jaguar Land Rover, from the Tata Motors side. It says the retail sales is 3% down versus Q2 FY24, and production was restricted to 86,000 unit, down 7% compared to 93%. Wholesale unit again down 10%. So production and wholesale volume are expected to recover strongly in the second half of the year. So that's the news for JLR and Tata Motors from the financial side. Actually, all the motor companies are delivering less sell number. Their inventory is getting richer and richer. So festive seasons are coming. So obviously next quarter things will be on the positive side. Next news from High-Tech Steel Pipe, and the news is about they have set the floor price for the issue, and approval already in the place, 194.98 as per the equity share floor price. So that's the news for High-Tech Pipe. It's positive news coming from Atmanirbhar Bharat, Bharat Electronics, and it's about an order, and that order value is 500 crore. And that's the news for BEL today, and it came after market hours, so BEL should be in our focus. Hitachi, that's Power India stock. So as we see, the NSE symbol is Power India. The news is coming for the another investment of 2,000 crore for the investment, expanding the capacity, portfolio and talent base to drive sustainable energy future in India. So that's a good news for future growth potential, and Hitachi Energy should be in your radar. Is My Trip, the travel partner, symbol is my trip, and the news coming that they are getting into open doors to the first franchisee store in Hyderabad, Telangana. So they are expanding the franchisee network, and it came in picture in Telangana state, Hyderabad. So that's the news for is my trip. So good positive news coming from Ashok Leyland, which is about a supply of 180 number of electric truck, BOS is Boss electric vehicle, and 55T electric tractor, 2 billion e-mobility, and it's a domestic entity, and the order valuation is approx 150 crores. So that's the news coming for Ashok Leyland, and Ashok Leyland should perform good with this news. Shakti Pump, the news is coming for the bonus issue and recommended issue of 5:1 ratio bonus, which is fully paid up equity share of 10. So that's the bonus related issue, and to the eligible stakeholder, right? So all the record date and everything shall be intimated once to the exchange separately. So that's the news coming from Shakti Pump. Today's one stock, one sector is Kaynes Technology. It's a leading end-to-end and IoT solution enabled integrated electronic manufacturing player. So semiconductor, that's the motto is nowadays in Indian market for the big announcement from PM Modi. So this Kaynes Technology I have chosen because of that. It's having the capability across the entire spectrum or electronic system and design manufacturing, ESTM company. So let's see what this company all about. Leading end-to-end IoT solution enabled company, and the company provides conceptual design, process engineering, integrated manufacturing, and lifecycle support for major players in the automotive, industrial, aerospace, and defense, outer space, nuclear, medical, railways, IoT, and IT. Another sector. So a lot of niche segment this company actually cover. So that's a good exposure in the all segment. So I was checking the latest annual report of Kaynes Technology, and it says our defining moment, key achievement and progress. So capacity expansion, infrastructure development, that is one of the highlight. Chamarajnagar facility, enhanced production capability, establishment of new production facilities and new products, electric vehicle component, aerospace and strategic vertical solution, high performance computer servers like CDAC, and entering new market segment, that is high performance, that CDAC same semiconductor assembly, that's caught my attention. Signed MOU with the state government, first phase of semiconductor assembly plant in Gujarat, awaiting final approval. Medical electronics sector, so very good exposure in various segment, which is making Kaynes Technology a good contender in this particular sector. So these are the revenue 2023-24. We'll see in the screener, but it says rest of the world 9.3, or from India itself 90% coming, which is a good thing. So this is the one-stop shop for all the industry it serves: automotive, industrial, railways, IoT, medical, aerospace, defense, and consumer electronic appliances. And these are the services they provide: ODM service, product design engineering, IoT solution, automated test equipment, functional tester, end-of-life service, and cable harness. These are more details delivering which all devices or services to across sector. So as we see, for railway it is giving the receiver, the cubicle, and card file. For medical they have endoscopy cart, X-ray, dental X-ray machine, control unit, and other stuff. Aerospace, the sonar, mission critical product, ESAP, and some cable assemble. For IoT, they have barcode scanner, sensor, industrial reader, and tablet. And for industrial EV, we have various module, right? So these are the segment Kaynes Technology is up to. Now check the basic stuff. Market cap 31,000 crore. Debt is very negligible, 3 to 3 crore. Industry P is 76. Stock P is almost double. That's a point to remember. Its stock P is almost double than industry P. So EPS is 33 rupees. Last year it was 28. So there is a growth in EPS. And the face value is 10, so there is an opportunity of split in future. So that's the Kaynes Technology numbers on the higher level. Let's check the quarterly results. Sales number is increased from 2021 till today, but there is a decrement from 637 to 504 from March to June quarter, and that same impact we can see from net profit 81 become 51. But there is an increment from 21 till 24 of March every quarter. So let's see the yearly one. So this is the yearly result. Sales number, the revenue, the top line increased a lot from 368 in 2020. Now it's become almost 2000, right? And net profit from 9 crore. Now we are talking about 200 plus. So both in the top line and bottom line, there's a huge increment in past 4 years or so. There's a decrement in promoter. So 63% 2022 December till September 2023 it remains same, but December 2023 there is a decrement of almost 5.5%, and that came from the promoter Ramesh Kunhikannan. Okay, Ramesh Kunhikannan is the managing director, and he only sold the stake. Rest everyone remained as it is, and as we see there's an increment in FII drastically. It was 8.53, now we are on 14.27. Same for DIA, they are also giving, showing interest. 11.43, it increased to 19, now reduced to almost 18. So that's the share ruling pattern. This is a weekly chart of Kaynes Technology, and as we see, it launched in market 22 November, and till then it already provided 623% return to the investor. And every time there is a decline, I think a huge volume came up and the buyers came up. I think similar going to happen in near future. So currently it is trading in 4870. My analysts suggest that 4570, so another 300 points. If you can wait, you can get into this stock in a very reasonable level. Otherwise, it's a good potential stock and can be bought in this particular decline also. So from the lifetime high, now it is trading almost 18% down. So good opportunity to accumulate. Otherwise, you can wait for this 4550 level for Kaynes Technology to enter. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.